Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne guys, first generation. This one will cover years from 2002 all the way until 2010. If you guys are trying to find a fuse for your air conditioning compressor or the air conditioner pressure switch, stay with us guys, that's what we'll be covering today. Now if any of those fuses are blown, your AC will not work. So we will explain guys what to check and to know if that is. We will also have the video for the relay on our channel. In addition guys, more than 200 videos will be made on this car. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So, this is the Porsche Cayenne here, and all the electrical videos will be on this channel. Mechanical videos guys will be posted on our main channels, two channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. We did it that way so you can kind of keep things organized better. Now, guys, your AC compressor. Okay, the AC compressor on the V6 and V8 is the same procedure. AC compressor is located down there, hard to see. Okay, you can see the, we're going to have, okay, right here, the hood open now. And as you can see guys, this cover right here will need to be removed. Okay, once you remove that cover guys, okay, check out now, this here is a fuse box and we have 3 screws that we need to turn 90 degrees to pull that box out, that lid, excuse me. Now guys, what are the fuses that we need to check? Fuse number 10 guys is for the air conditioner pressure switch. Fuse number 10, this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4 fuse here, so we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. This here is for the air conditioner pressure switch. Fuse number 11, okay, fuse number 11. Okay, this one here, fuse number 11, 15 amp fuse. This fuse guys is for your AC compressor, for the clutch. So, hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.